As a parent, what is the most important decision you will ever make for your child? It is selecting the right school, where you can see the overall development of your child. There is one school that can fulfill your requirements. Introducing Phoenix International Group of Schools, English Medium School, recognized by the Government of TS, where you can see the overall development of your child. Academics, practical application, digital learning, physical fitness, co-curricular activities are silent features, CCTV surveillance, digital classroom with smart class technology, computer lab, practical lab, prayer hall, well-decorated pre-primary, nursery to 5th, CBSE pattern milestone curriculum, creative, innovative method of teaching, ventilated and spacious classroom, 6th to 10th state board syllabus, experienced, dedicated and caring staff, aesthetically developed building, emphasis on co-curricular activities, physical fitness such as karate class, PT class, etc., indoor games. Admission open nursery to 10th. Muradnagar, Mehdipatnam, Hyderabad 28. Call 8374950725 and 8801215156.